Today we're going to make a big Reese peanut butter cup. You can choose your favorite chocolate, peanut butter cream, and powdered sugar. You will also need ruffled paper baking cups. First, mix the same amount of peanut butter cream and powdered sugar in a small vessel. After that, break the chocolate into small pieces so the chocolate can be melted easily, and put it in another vessel. Then put the chocolate in the microwave for like 40 seconds and check that it's already melted. If not, put it for a little bit longer. Pour half of the chocolate into a ruffled paper baking cup. Put some of the mixture and cover it with the rest of the chocolate. Then put it in the fridge until it's hard. When it's done, you can enjoy your dessert. If you want, you can also use something like jam or whatever you want for the stuffing. Here, instead of just using peanut butter, I also use strawberry jam.